Hi, so today I'm here with Steven, the Director of Operations for Cybermiller USA, to ask him about what he thought about the transportation-related greenhouse gas emissions for the company.
Hello, Aubrey. Looking over the report, the biggest thing that I actually looked at that was a very surprising thing is, our carbon dioxide emissions, the footprint that we actually produce as a company just in the United States is equal to basically the emissions of just 12 homes, and that was a big eye opener, and I was very surprised with that statistic.
Yeah, definitely. That's definitely a lot, especially just for transportation related, especially being a small company.
Definitely.
It makes you think about all the other companies out there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So another question I have for you is, what is the bigger challenge for Cybermiller USA in reducing its greenhouse gas emissions for transportation-related causes? The expense or the ease of accessibility, both?
I mean, both for the most part. Us and everybody else going through COVID-19. It's very, very logistically challenging to get product to us from Europe, and for us to actually have product and ship them out to our customers via LTL trucking, or we personally send them out as too. So it's definitely very challenging doing that. When we do ship out mowers or we do make sales calls for ourselves, the mowers, our customers are basically in no man's land. They're in a different. They're in a very, very remote area, so very rural area. So it's not easy for us to have access to. Say if we wanted to get an electric truck right now for charging stations or ease of fuel, so it is very, very difficult for us right now.
Yeah, definitely. Especially, I believe a lot of your drives are really long, like over 15 hours, sometimes to rural Texas, correct?
Yep. I mean, Texas, the Midwest. There's places that you won't see an actual city or even a gas station for an hour or so.
Yeah, that's hard, especially with the truck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So last question I have for you is, what changes will your company make in the future to reduce its carbon dioxide emissions for transportation related?
Well, I mean, hopefully have more chargeable stations out there, and trucks with more power and more battery life, that we can actually have a truck that's probably electronic. So going forward, probably in the future, looking at maybe a hybrid truck or full electric truck going forward to actually cut down on our carbon footprint.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for participating in this interview today about the transportation-related greenhouse gas emissions, and thank you so much for letting me work with your company to evaluate it and creating the ESG report.
Well, once again, Aubrey, it was very, very enlightening and eye-opening and very educational for us and for our company to look at this, and hopefully one day we can go forward and look at that plan of actually lower our CO2 emissions. Thank you very much, Aubrey.
Awesome, thank you.